Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis E-315. Big price difference, huh?
Huge! The Nexgrill is around $180, and the Weber's like $800. What are we even getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a big one. The Nexgrill is portable, only about 27 inches deep, a cooking area of 263 square inches, whereas the Weber is a full-sized grill. It's about 36 inches wide and weighs a whopping 176 pounds.
Okay, so the Weber is definitely for the backyard, not camping. What about power?
The Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs with its two burners. The Weber doesn't explicitly state BTU, but it's a 3-burner grill, so you're probably getting significantly more heat output overall. Weber also boasts about an extra-large sear zone and consistent flames.
Searing is important. The Nexgrill does mention cast iron cooking grids for good heat retention, though.
True, but the Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are probably more durable and easier to clean in the long run. Plus, it has flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor. Fancy?
What about features? The Nexgrill is a 2-in-1, right? Grill and griddle?
Yeah, it comes with a griddle insert. The Weber is more focused on grilling, but it's Weber crafted compatible, meaning you can buy extra accessories to expand its functionality.
Oh, so more expenses. And what's the build quality like?
The Nexgrill is cast aluminum, which is decent for portability. The Weber doesn't specify the main material, but it mentions a 12-year warranty, so, it's probably built to last.
A 12-year warranty is huge. The Nexgrill doesn't say anything about warranty length. What are the downsides?
Weber is more expensive, less portable, and those extra accessories add up. The Nexgrill is cheaper, portable, and has a built-in griddle, but it might not be as powerful or durable.
Okay, so if I want a portable grill for occasional use, the Nexgrill is a good budget option. But if I'm serious about grilling and want something that will last, the Weber, even with the higher price tag, is the way to go.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and your budget. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.